Hi guys! Welcome back to the Verona Tribe channel. I'll be sharing to you again another tutorial video, and this time I'm gonna teach you how to make a thumbnail for your vlogs and discuss to you the importance of having good thumbnails. So why do we need that? You know how they say that first impression matter? Well, your thumbnail is your YouTube first impression. It is important to make your thumbnails as engaging as possible, while also using your thumbnail to tell a potential viewer what the video will be about. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna share to you how to make a good thumbnail that would attract a potential viewers.
The Verona Tribe.
We're going to recreate this thumbnail that I've created for my daughter's vlog. In the first part, I'll be teaching you how to cut a picture and remove the image background and create an outline around the picture. There are two ways where we can do it. First, in Photoshop. If you don't have a Photoshop, you can do it in a free app called remove.bg. So first we're going to do it in Photoshop. So we're going to open this picture in Photoshop. Let's click this symbol, the quick selection tool. After we click it, we're going to select the subject. It automatically detect or select the subject of the photo by the power of the Photoshop's AI. It has selected the subject of the image. Then we're going to click quick selection tool again and click select and mask. So it has selected, and we're going to smoothen it out so that the edge will be smooth and not rugged. We'll adjust the contrast a bit, and then we're going to select the output to new layer. Okay, so it removed the background. Then we're going to open a new file, just a square one, 3200 by 3200, create. We're going to duplicate this layer to the new canvas, untitled one. Okay, that layer was duplicated, so it's here already. Click Ctrl in your keyboard and press the picture so that it will select the image again. Then click select, modify, expand by 25 pixels. We'll see. Okay. To smoothen the selection, with the background layer selected, click select, then select and mask. So we're going to slide the smooth bar until 100 to smoothen out the outline so that it will not be rugged, and also increase the contrast to 100. And then output to layer mask. Then hit OK. See? So here is our image with a white outline around it. So we're going to save it as PNG. Click File, Save As, and save it as PNG so that it will have a transparent background. Save. Okay. So we already have here an image with transparent background with a white outline, just like a sticker. But if you don't have a Photoshop, you can also remove your image background in Canva, but you need to have a pro account to do it. But if you don't have, there's another free app called remove.bg, and you can remove your background there. Okay, let's try it. Let's type in remove.bg. Then I'm going to upload the image. Then it will automatically remove the background. It's not perfect, so there's some part that are included that's not supposed to be there. I think this is the box. We can edit. Okay, so there's an eraser tool. We can erase the part that's not supposed to be there. Okay, that's not so perfect. Okay, that's it. Then you can download image. Okay, let's open it. So here it is. Let's see from the download. Okay, so maybe you're gonna ask, it's easier to remove background and remove.bg. Why would I still bother to remove my background in Photoshop? Because first, the resolution in remove.bg is a bit pixelated. So I don't really use remove.bg. It's only an option for you if you don't have a Photoshop. But since I have a Photoshop, I prefer removing my background in Photoshop. It's aside from the resolution is not affected, I can be more precise in Photoshop than in remove.bg. So it's just an option for you. Okay, so this is the end of the part 1 of our tutorial. Removing the background of an image to be used for your thumbnail. Stay tuned for the second part. We're going to do our thumbnail in Canva. So we're going to upload this image without a background or a PNG image. We're going to create it in Canva. I hope you learned something today. Thank you for watching and see you in our next tutorial video.
The banana tribe.
If it's your first time to be in our channel, please don't forget to like our video, subscribe to our channel for more tutorial videos in the future. Thanks for watching. Bye.